Courtney Bree or Coco Bree, whichever you would like to call me, and welcome to Coco's Halloween Countdown. Before we get into the video, y'all know what to do. Subscribe to this channel, follow me on all my other socials. I'm Coco Bree everywhere. So I did a thing. I turned myself into the Queen of Hearts. Check out these jumbo cards, y'all. I glued them to the crown. I'll show y'all all in the vlog. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so today we're doing the Queen of Hearts. I love her. Off with their heads. But mostly I love Helena Bonham Carter's version. I'm going to do that version but glamorize it. I've seen so many videos on TikToks of girls like completely slaying this look. And I am still a novice face painter, makeup artist. So, elevation. We're all about elevation over here. Let's get to work. This is the crown that I wore for that marble goddess look. I bought a crown, okay? This Queen of Heart crown, okay? It's cute, it's simple, it would be easy to do, but I can't do simple or easy because I'm me. What I want to do is take these jumbo playing cards. These are like literally 5x7 playing cards, which is super cool. And I would love to actually play with them if I weren't using them for art. Like, wait a minute. I just need the whole heart suit. And basically I'm going to scatter it around up in here. But I'm gonna use some of the E600 glue. Either this or hot glue because hot glue dries so much faster. This is good, but I'm gonna need, obviously, the Queen of Hearts, front and center. I think I'm gonna go, oh, I might do this for the transition. Okay. This is how my transitions come to me. I've said okay like a million times. Okay. And do the Queen of Hearts, Queen of Hearts. So this outfit is so cute. Again, y'all will see this outfit multiple times, okay? If I do like a little Moulin Rouge situation. This is the skirt. And it shows just enough like little cheek. Baby. I had it upside down. Here we go. Bare the titties. I think I'm gonna do the same thing I did yesterday. Change those to red. You can't tell now, but when the time comes, you will be able to tell. Okay, I have to film the first part of my video with the Queen of Hearts card in my hand and then swipe it across my face. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put you over there so that you can see this whole little process. Okay, go team, let's go. My mom says whenever I'm on FaceTime and I'm walking around, I make her dizzy. I'm just like, just stop looking. But no, look at me. It's gonna work. One of those gonna work. I gotta glue some cards up on this motherfucker. What? Oh. Okay, I thought it broke. Ooh, I only have the jumbo joints. All right, that's fine. Look at this heavy duty industrial hot glue. Little baby cards. No, that's not dynamic. No. We can go big or go home here. No.
Say you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown.
Okay, so this is what we've got. It came out so good. I'm so excited. Okay, just got back from Michael's because I decided I wanted to add some roses to the base of this. Got some individual roses. These were like $1.99, and I'm going to, doesn't look like they have the pull off. Oh, they do. Stick these in around here and glue them on. I got like 5 of them, but we'll see what it's looking like.
Till the disco ball pops, but I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you.
Now we can get started on the actual painting.
Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna
Let's get closer. I really like the ponytail look. So that's how I film most of the TikToks. I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my other social medias. I'm Coco Bree everywhere. Y'all know the drill. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.